Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're a part of the Grateful Gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to subscribe. It's zero nada to subscribe to this channel. You just hit the red subscribe button. That's it. Over here we do digital budgeting, saving challenges, sinking funds, tracking expenses in my A5 planner, all that. So if any of that interests you, definitely hit the like button, subscribe button, and make sure your notification bells are turned on. So we're actually going to be stuffing our cash for 2024 February. So excited. I'm going to have way less money, but I'm still excited to have money for February. So we already unstuffed. That video will be linked down below. Did it already. If you missed it, definitely check it out. But I will be restuffing now. So let's get started. First, we gotta go where? This is where the money resides now, y'all. Where at? Where the what? Who missed that? I did.
Because I'm asked, what the what? What a money reside? What a money reside? What a money reside? What a money reside?
We have money that we had left over from the unstuffing after paying the credit card off. I believe we have 67, 20, 40, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9, $69 left already from what we had left over from last month after paying credit card and all that. Then we have money we took out for this month, as well as some extra money that we got from our YouTube paycheck. Yay, YouTube paycheck. So in this money here, there should be $610. There's going to be $520 for my everyday expenses variable, and then I had $90 left over from that check for a total of $610. I apologize if y'all could hear the machine. I'm doing laundry. However, let me explain real quick. Our paycheck was $147, $148 from YouTube. What I did was subtract 30% for, let me show y'all. Yeah, minus 30%. As 103.60, I think I just did 30. And then I subtracted another 10%. And that got for tides, and that's $93.24. Now, y'all know I don't tide on everything, but that extra money, this channel is God's channel. So we just let it do what it's got to do, honey. And so that left me with like $93. So I just took $90 to keep it even. Enough talking. Let's start counting. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 500. Keep all the 20s separate. And then this is part of the 500. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 610. There we have our $610 that we're working with.
A little cheat sheet, honey, because I don't be remembering now that we're doing it monthly.
Groceries is going to get $160, but we had an additional $20 we put away for it because, honey, groceries are expensive. So we're going to put $180 instead of our normal $160. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. I might get my cash from the ATM, so I only have 20s and 10s, y'all. It is what it is, okay? So groceries is getting 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 180 in groceries. This green line on here symbolizes February starting. So today is actually February 1st, and this is our first deposit. Well, it is our deposit. Everything else is usually a withdrawal, and that's going to be $180, leaving a balance of $180. There we go. Now we have gas. Gas is getting 120, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20. I meant to get more 10s because sometimes I just prefer a 10, but 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 120. I don't know why I did that way. All right, and so gas going to start off at 120, and that is going to be our deposit on 2/1. Nope. Okay, next we have self-care. Self-care is going to get $80. And you guys remember that this is for the month. This is not like bi-weekly anymore. This is going to be for the month of February. So that's on 2/1. There's a deposit of $80. Girl. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. 20, 40, 60, 70, $80 self-care. Usually this goes to pedicures, and if I want to buy myself like some nails to press on or eyebrows or something like that. Eating out is supposed to get $80. That's pretty much $20 per week, so we got to really tighten up, and that's $80 going to eating out for February. $20, $40, 60, 70, 80. $20, $40, 60, 70, $80. Y'all pray for me. These are such small amounts. Have fun. Okay, so with have fun, I'm actually going to take this money out. There's $183 in have fun, but I'm not comfortable with walking around with all this cash, which why I'm also thinking about switching to still stuffing these and using my credit card to that's not a bad idea. Maybe I should have started using my debit card. But my credit card to charge and then come and take the money out of here, but this thing would stay at home in the safe. And right now, I just want to finish my quarter doing it this way, see if I get better at it, see if it gets easier. However, for now, I'm going to go ahead and take this money and put it in a different envelope. So in this binder, I have an envelope called Grace, which is basically for me. So I'm going to just name the tracker in this envelope Fun and Entertainment, so I know. Or really, I shouldn't have done that. What I'll do is I'll just move this whole envelope because nothing happened here. It's fine. So it's $183 supposed to be in there. Let's just double check. 150, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So there's $183 in here. And we're just going to say that for February on 2/1, we just transferred this 183 to Grace. And that's all we did. And this will stay here because if I do need to, like, say, spend some money in this category while I'm out and about, then I know I can come and grab the cash from here. I can always put it on my card and grab the cash from here. But for now, that's where this is staying. But normally Fun and Entertainment gets $40. So I'll go ahead and put $20, $30, $40 in Fun and Entertainment. Right? 20, 30, 40. And then I guess I'll make another one because in case we actually use it for February, for 2/1, there's a deposit and it is for $40. Writing this way, it sucks. Okay. $40. Or it makes my handwriting look really bad, which I don't love. Giving is actually getting $20 for the month, which I'm so excited about. I only had $6 last time. So 2-1, there will be a deposit of $20. And what I would like to do is, if I really can't find anyone to give it to, I wonder if I can make change, because I don't like when giving 5, 6, 7, 8, and oh, of course. I don't like when giving doesn't have like singles or things like that, but I do have some money going back to the credit card. So let me see if I can make some change for it here. For sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay. 15, or maybe we'll do this. 10. Let's do it like that. So, ugh, these dollars are raggedy. Why does this thing keep doing this, Lord? I'm so sorry, y'all. So 5, might be time for a new holder. It's acting up. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll do 20 here, and we'll take 20 from here, and we'll put it back in the credit card money. We'll put that credit card money back, and yep, I counted off screen to make sure I didn't make a mistake. And then this 20 is going to go into giving. That way, if I do need to give singles or something like that, but I'm actually hoping to keep it, just keep building it up, and then be able to do like a big give, like a big amount to someone in need or something. That would be kind of cool. Or on something else. I'm not 100%, but we'll see how that goes. I don't mind giving to little causes as well. And then we have fitness. Fitness is not getting anything because fitness doesn't normally go in here, to be honest. Fitness is usually, I'm probably going to take it out of here, is usually right online, unless I'm looking to do like something for shoes or something I really want. But credit card, y'all saw, this is money going back to the credit card to pay that off. There's supposed to be $215 in there. And then, why do I still have money? That's, I still have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, girl. Because I'm like, what? So I'm supposed to have $90, which I had told y'all was for the savings challenges. I'm like, I'm done. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $90 is left here. Woohoo. And then, so we also have this amount. So this is what we really have for savings challenges, which I'm so excited. We have extra money. So total, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50. What am I doing? Yeah, sorry. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Good. We have 159, like I said. We have 159 left for savings challenges. This video is already kind of long, so we won't do savings challenges now. But our wallet has been stuffed. Sorry for my misfunctioning camera and everything that was going on. I hope you held on with me. But thanks so much for watching, y'all. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but forever. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I don't know why I keep doing that. Bye. Just here.